The history of artificial intelligence, AI, dates back to ancient times, but the modern development and progression of AI can be traced to the mid-20th century. Here's an overview of the history of AI. Early concepts, Antiquity 1950s. Ancient civilizations had myths and stories about artificial beings, such as the Greek myth of Pygmalion and the golem in Jewish folklore. In the 17th century, philosopher René Descartes explored the idea of automata and the possibility of creating machines that could imitate human behavior. In the 19th century, Charles Babbage designed the analytical engine, a mechanical computer that could perform calculations. The field of cybernetics emerged in the 1940s, exploring the similarities between machines and living organisms. Birth of AI, 1950s to 1960s. In 1950, British mathematician and computer scientist Alan Turing proposed the Turing test, a method to determine a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior indistinguishable from that of a human. In 1956, the Dartmouth Conference in the United States marked the birth of AI as a field of study. Attendees included prominent scientists like John McCarthy, Marvin Minsky, Alan Newell, and Herbert Simon. Early AI research focused on symbolic processing and logical reasoning, leading to the development of the logic theorist, 1956, and the general problem solver, 1957. The AI winter, 1970s to 1980s. High expectations for AI led to an overhyped phase in the late 1960s. However, as progress did not match expectations, funding and public interest declined, leading to what is known as the AI winter. The limitations of early AI approaches, such as rule-based expert systems, became apparent. AI research faced challenges in handling uncertainty, context, and complex real-world problems. Rise of expert systems and neural networks, 1980s to 1990s. Expert systems, which used knowledge bases and rules to solve specific problems, gained popularity during this period. Examples include Mycin, diagnosing infections, and Dendril, analyzing chemical compounds. Neural networks experienced a resurgence in the 1980s with the development of backpropagation algorithms for training them. This led to advancements in pattern recognition and image processing. Emergence of machine learning and big data, 2000s to 2010s. Machine learning algorithms, such as support vector machines and decision trees, gained prominence. The availability of large datasets and increased computational power fueled their development. The development of deep learning techniques, particularly convolutional neural networks, CNNs, and recurrent neural networks, RNNs, revolutionized areas like computer vision, natural language processing, and speech recognition. Companies like Google, Facebook, and Microsoft invested heavily in AI research, driving significant progress in areas like autonomous vehicles, virtual assistants, and recommendation systems. Current advances and ethical concerns, 2010s present. Recent years have witnessed significant advancements in AI, including the deployment of AI-powered systems in various industries and domains. Breakthroughs in reinforcement learning, generative models, example, GANs, and transformer models, example, GPT-3, have pushed the boundaries of AI capabilities. The ethical implications of AI, including issues of bias, privacy, transparency, and job displacement, have gained increased attention, leading to the development of AI ethics frameworks and guidelines. The history of AI is an ongoing and dynamic field, with rapid advancements and continuous debates on its potential benefits and challenges.